What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for watching and subscribing. We've got a great video for you guys today. We're going to go over 5 hacks to dramatically increase your earnings as an Uber driver. Before we jump into this video, we wanted to give a quick shout out to Play Octopus. Play Octopus is an incredible company. They send you a tablet for free in the mail, as well as a mount that mounts to the back of your headrest. And this tablet allows customers to do a lot of different fun things, but mainly they can play games, trivia, check the weather, stuff like that. And on top of it, if they're using the tablet, you're getting paid. The games they can play on there, they can actually get high scores and win gift cards from Amazon and a few other cool prizes. And obviously, guys, if you're getting this for free, they're potentially winning prizes, you're making money if they use it, and you're offering entertainment in the ride. This is a no-brainer. So check out Play Octopus. There's a link in the description below, and let's jump in. Alrighty, so obviously the scope of driving for Uber has changed massively in the last couple of years. I think now more than ever, the biggest thing to increasing your earnings is honestly cutting your hours. Now, what I mean by this is you need to split up your shifts and focus on other things in your life and get other things done rather than being a full-time driver. What I generally recommend, if you can only do weekdays, 6 to 9 a.m. and 5 to 7 p.m., those are going to be your most profitable 6 hours on a weekday. Driving throughout the day, you're just going to be waiting for rides, blowing gas, adding more wear and tear to your vehicle, and splitting up your shifts and getting a more efficient 6 hours there versus starting at 9 a.m. and going till like 2 or 3. It doesn't make sense. Versus if you start 6 to 9 a.m., now you've got a good amount of time off until you have to start again at 5. That should work around most work schedules, give or take. Obviously, I'm sure some people go in at 8 or 9. But a lot of people I know can do 10 to 3 as just a quick part-time shift at another job. And I honestly think this is a better option for almost anyone in today's Uber economy, is to have another thing you're doing on the side, and that way you can hit the more efficient shifts, go do another job, go work on something online, whatever it is. Now, the next biggest thing is referrals. The reason I say this is I made a lot of money as a driver by referring passengers I would talk to. And I would just talk to them about it, or they were curious and they would ask. And if they are asking, I would always say, hey, you know, just as a thought, I've got a referral code where you can get a little bonus if you do decide to pick it up. No worries if not. But if you did by chance, you know, you'll actually make more money. Now, the power in this is once they see it and they click on the referral link, if you text it to them, that's going to then get that thought in their head even more. And it's just a quick and easy way to potentially make a pretty good amount of more money just by someone else doing the work. So I've always recommended people to do that. Another thing that I liked doing was having digital business cards, not physical ones. And again, I could text it to the customer, and what I did is I put my referral link in that digital business card. So you can just say private rideshare driver, whatever you want to say on the card, but then there's also the link they can click to then sign up again, and now it's again more present in their head. I think one of the biggest things, and this is really just going to lead into tips more than anything, is just your overall customer service, offering as many amenities as you can. For me, it was always snacks, water, anything someone would need if they were sick, had an upset stomach, puke baggies. If it's a weekend, I'm generally going to have mints, cologne, perfume, anything someone might want to freshen up right before they go inside. Helping with luggage is always a must. If you're doing airport rides, it's just easy ways to potentially get an extra few bucks on every ride. The next thing I would say is kind of like the first tip is catering your hours around the bonuses. My personal ones that I love, I mean, quests are all right. A lot of times they're a little unrealistic. If there's a quest I can hit, I always go for it. If I'm driving part-time, I usually just take the lowest quest. Even if it's only 50 bucks extra, it still makes a lot of sense to shoot for that. Generally, if it's a bigger bonus like $200, you're going to have to put in a ton of rides to hit that. And if you're not driving full time, which you probably shouldn't, it's not worth it. But always accept the quests regardless. It's not, if you don't hit it, whatever. But if you think you're not going to drive a lot that week, just take the lowest quest and it's not a big deal, you know? So lowest quest, but my personal favorites are the make an extra $3 per ride from, 1 to 2 p.m. If it's ever a quick hour or 2-hour stretch, or if it's based on the zones, I always try to just get out and hit the bare minimum for the bonus and then go home. Generally, if they're doing that, it's because they're expecting it to be congested around that time anyways. So rather than driving all day and then trying to hit that bonus in the middle of my shift, I'm just going to be home. I'm going to go out, hit that bonus, and then go back home again. And then maybe I'll go back out from 6 to 9 or one of those good stretches of hours. The last one on our list is using what we talked about in the beginning of the video, Play Octopus. This can make you an extra $100 a week a lot of times, but it's also mainly for increased ratings and increased tips. Combining that with something like Work Solo that offers guaranteed pay is also a really, really smart idea. It's the simple things, and anything that can add up and make you a couple extra bucks at a time is the way you have to think, especially with how driving for rideshare is now. So check those out. I left links for those in the description below. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let us know any hacks you have yourself. Make sure you check out Play Octopus below. Stay safe out there more than anything, and stay tuned for more updates.